Hi first grade friends, Mrs. Hannah here. I'm ready for math today. I know it looks a little different around here. I'm outside, so you might hear a dog barking or a car go by, but I am still right here and ready for math. So we're going to get started today. There's some things that you need in order for us to get started for our math lesson today. Later in our lesson, you're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil. So you're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil, and then you're going to need some objects. I would say about 10 objects. My little boy had some cars downstairs, so I brought some of his cars, and I'm going to use this for our lesson in the middle of our lesson, and so you're going to need 10 objects. So it can be cars, or if you have little dolls, if you have buttons, you can use any objects in your house. Make sure you have 10 of them, okay? So when you have all of those things, you can start the video again. So if you need to pause it right here and go get a piece of paper, a pencil, and then 10 objects, then you can start the video back when you come back and get those things. All right, so here we go. Today we're going to start off with our build it, and we're going to build it, but we're going to add a little twist to it today. Okay, so it's called Build It, 1 or 2 more. So let me show you how to do this. You have this build it option on your Savvis EasyBridge tab. You can build the numbers. I've assigned those to you, and so you can practice this. We're going to practice it here together. Okay, so here's our number card. Here's the number. Do you know what number that is? That's the number 15. The number 15 has 1 and 5. That's, ooh. Does anyone know how many tens the number 15 has? We're going to find out right now. Now, let me think of a question to ask you. Let's see. Do you know if the number 15 is more or less than 10? Did you say it was more? How did you know that the number 15 was more than 10? Because after you count 15, after you count to 10, you get to 15. Okay, well, we're going to build this number. So we're going to take our pennies and we're going to fill up our 10 frame because it's going to be more than 10. So we're going to have one 10 frame that we're going to fill up. Let's count 1. I already counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry for all the dogs barking. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, we filled up a 10 frame. Have we gotten to the number 15 yet? We haven't gotten to the number 15. So we have filled up one 10 frame, so we know that the number 15 has at least one 10 frame, so it has one 10 in it. How many more do we need? Let's keep counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I got to the number 15. Did my number 15 fill up 2 10 frames? It didn't. It filled up one whole 10 frame and then one row of the next 10 frame. Wow, that is the number 15. Now, what if I wanted to keep my number 15 there? Oh, I want to build the number 13 now. So here's the number 15. I'm not going to take all of those pennies away to show the number 13, am I? How many pennies do you think we need to take away to make 13? Because the number 13 is less than 15. Well, we're at the number 15, so let's take one away. If we take one away, we have, how many pennies do we have? We have 14 pennies. Is that the number 13 yet? That's not the number 13. Let's take one more away. 13 because 1 less than 14 is 13, and I can look closely up here. I can see 10 up here in my 10 frame, and then 11, 12, 13. All right, so this is the number 13, and I took 2 away. So this one is 2 less than 15. That's what I just had. Okay, let's build another number. Let's see. We're going to build a number. Ooh, we're going to build the number 12. What would I need to do to show the number 12? To build the number 12? I have 13 pennies on my 10 frames. What would you do? Some of you are saying you'd take them all off and then you'd count to the number 12. You could do that. Some of you might even say that you can take a penny away because we have 13. And when we take one away, 1 less than 13 is 12. So I can see up here, I have a 10 frame that's full. So 10, 11, 12. So I took 1 away. It was 1 less to show the number 12 after I had the number 13 on my board. All right.